already on my way.
Also Baba? Also Baba siya mo isa yan. Iya! Adi sa dish ko na.
Kang ba yun ko?
Asyang! Kasi po smart. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Tanya. First of all, happy new year. I know it's already been a week. I hope your first week of new year was nice. Today is Monday and I just woke up from a nap. It's really hot today, so I'm planning on going to beach right now, and I thought, why not vlog? While I get ready, let's talk. My first week of new year was not really productive because right now we are on holiday and I have been slacking off and been rotting in my bed whole week. And also this year I'm planning on posting more on YouTube. I know I say it all the time, but this year I'm really gonna try. One of my main goals this year is to post more content, and yeah. Also, but I have few posters that I need to stick up there, and my room is finally coming together. I really like how my room looks right now. And yeah, I'm so hot right now. I'm gonna go and get dressed. I'm not sure what should I wear. Oh, it's so hot. I'm literally sweating as we talk. Like, this is my fit for today. I am wearing denim shorts and tank top from Classens. Just got back from the beach and took a shower. Now I'm starving, so I'm gonna make something and eat. I'm not sure what I'm gonna eat. There's literally nothing in the fridge. Because I swim, I'm so hungry. You know how you feel hungry after swimming? I'm so hungry right now and I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Cracker, the cheese. I am currently watching Taste, what's it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Isn't that a bit too much?
No.
9 out of 10. I would also give this 9 out of 10. Only because this is Indomie noodle. And it's musuda.
Kau telling the nuki sama juice. 19.
Okay, then 10 out of 10.
여기 어딘지요?
아니죠.
좋았다.
Oh my gosh. Look at mine. And look at his. He ate after me. Yung ngay dyan saan ba?
Mga quality yung ano.
This is like.
Tama,
Niniesta. Think. Oh my gosh, he even finished the one that I gave him, and I'm still not done. And he's stealing Princess now. Bruh. Peri and fries, my favorite. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. As I've told before, I'm gonna try to upload one video a week. I don't think I'm gonna do weekly vlogs because I really don't have that much to vlog, but I'll make sure to upload at least one video, like maybe one crochet a week and then next week another vlog, or yeah. But either way, I'm gonna try my best to upload at least one video a week. Yeah, that's sort of like one of my main goals for 2024. I'm gonna upload more vlogs, and yeah, wishing you all a really happy new year. And even though it's already been a week, even though I'm already late, but I hope 2024 has so many good things stored for every one of you guys. And yeah, and also I forgot to mention about my journal. Of course, if you have been watching me for a long time, you know how much I like journaling. And so of course I have my journal. This is my 2024 journal, and this is sort of like my planner. I always keep two journals. So I consider this as my heart and this as my brain. So I put all the important stuff like schedule, routines, and deadlines and tasks that I need to complete in here. And then emotional stuff that I need to like put it down or speak to someone, I just put it here. And it's been a week, and so far this is how much I have wrote. So far I've already filled it quite a bit, because 2024 I'm trying to get back in my journaling habits. I used to do it all the time, but last year I haven't done it much. And yeah, I'm gonna try my best to put out more contents and be more raw contents without editing or thinking too much. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.